The US NSA surveillance scandal broke in June. Many countries have taken measures to keep US spying at bay. Brazilian President Dilma Rousseff says her country would adopt legislation and technology to protect itself from illegal intercepts. She has also asked Brazil's Federal Data Processing Service to create a national encrypted email service to secure communication for government bodies. And European Union lawmakers have voted to approve new data protection rules to restrict transfers of information from Europe to third countries. Companies based outside the EU need to comply with European data protection if they operate in Europe. If violated, companies could face hefty fines, potentially running into billions of euros. Meanwhile, German Economy Minister Philipp Rösler has called on European countries to strengthen their information and technology industry to rival with American IT companies. He says Europe needs to improve security for cloud computing and encourage more local startups in the industry, topics that will be further discussed at the IT summit in December in Hamburg.